Hello there and welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick video to kick off a new series that I'm going to be doing on this. And this is a rover and I'm going to do a build series on this over the winter here in the UK. And the idea is if it's something that you've been interested in doing, we're going to go through everything that I've bought, setting it up, getting it up and running and showing you guys this in action at the end of it. Now for this, I've decided to go with a rover called the Prowler. I ordered it in from Robot Shop and it arrived today. In the next video, we're going to take a look at that extremely closely and then we'll look at all of the other components that I've decided to go with as well. We're going to also be setting it up with a autopilot and I'm going to be using a Cube and probably the Cube Purple and installing ArduRover on it. So we're going to go right from unboxing all the way through to getting it set up with ArduRover, and hopefully at the end of it we'll have a fully functional unit. Now if this is something that you would like to see or be interested in, please do subscribe to the channel and click that notification button as well. I'm going to stick all of this in a specific playlist too, and that is going to be called the Prowler Rover. That is it for this video. It was just to really share with you guys one of the things we're going to be doing over the winter. There is a whole host of other stuff that's going to be going on as well, but this one is going to be my winter project. And the plan is not to take too long to get it going and hopefully share as much information with you guys on this as I can. We're still going to be doing all of the other stuff as well, some of the reviews, looking at some of the flight controllers. We're doing a lot with flight controllers on the channel at the moment and hopefully give you guys some interesting info along the way as well. That's it. Thank you for watching and I will do another video again soon. Please do subscribe to the channel and check out all of the other videos we have available. They are also split into playlists to help you easily find the ones that are relevant to you. If you would like to support the channel, please check out the links that are in the description for each video. You will find the links for the products we've been talking about, and it's only by you guys purchasing via these links that allows us to keep making videos and buy products to talk about in the future. Please also check us out and follow us on all of the social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. We're beginning to build these accounts up, and whilst it is early days, I would appreciate it if you would like, share and follow us on these platforms. Finally, please also check out my website, www.madrc.com. Now, this is somewhere that we've been putting some of our blog posts and things like that over the last couple of years. So if you're interested in having a look, please do go check it out. That is it. Please do click that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and I will do another video again soon.